2018 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.